name is Patrick Connolly. I'm a product marketing manager at Teledyne LeCroy. I'm excited to be here at DesignCon 2026. And at this station, we're going to be showing live PCIe 6 link training analysis across both protocol and physical layers. So over here, we have two PCIe 6 devices communicating with each other across the backplane. In between, this is a cross-sync PHY enabled PCI Express chem interposer. This is taking signals out to a Summit M616 Teledyne LeCroy PCI Express protocol analyzer, which is analyzing the protocol and logical communication between the two devices. But on this interposer, we also have these connectors for these high bandwidth oscilloscope probes. So with these, we're probing one lane of the upstream and downstream PCI Express link, and they're connected to our WaveMaster 8000 HD high bandwidth 12-bit oscilloscope. And this is a solution we call cross-sync PHY. And it's an answer to a question we've had many times, which is, I have two devices that I've used an instrument like your high bandwidth scope to prove are compliant to the PCI Express spec, but when I connect them together, they don't communicate properly. And the first question a lot of folks try to find the answer to is this a logical problem or an electrical problem? Cross-sync PHY allows us to look at both the protocol and the protocol trace from the protocol analyzer and the electrical trace from the scope at the same time in a time-correlated way. So I can move the protocol trace and I can see the electrical signal move alongside. So I have a completely time-correlated view of the electrical behavior on the upstream and downstream lanes, as well as the protocol behavior. So if I'm looking at things like link training problems or issues coming back from low power states, I don't have to guess at what the electrical behavior is if I'm just looking at a protocol trace, or at what the protocol behavior is if I'm using an oscilloscope. And I can use all the protocol power of the protocol analyzer to trigger the scope on high-level protocol operations. So it's an extremely powerful debug solution for PCI Express interoperability problems. And we also offer a solution for USB 3 and USB 4. For more information, visit our website. Thanks for watching.